Welcome again everyone. God bless you all. Dear kids, today we will do discussions on SPL chapter number 3, what is government. Under this head, we will learn what does it mean, what are the different roles, what are the various levels, as well as furthermore the types of government. So let's begin with the meaning of government. Beta, government means of the people, for the people, and by the people. Let's discuss. So, it is a group of people or group of leaders, or we can say it is a political body that helps people or the whole society. It works for the welfare of society. So it is a political body. It governs a community or unit. Like government can take decisions about where to build roads and schools, how to reduce the price of onions when they get too expensive, or it provides special reservation quotas to minorities. Minority means lower caste, right? So it administers, or we can say it serves the public policies. It exercises different functions like different powers, executive powers, political powers, and sovereign powers through different customs, institutions, and laws within a state. So now we will talk more. Legislative powers means government has full right to make laws, because when we will choose our leaders, those leaders will make laws for the welfare of us or for the welfare of whole humanity. Executive means after making laws, we are to implement those laws, we are to apply those laws. Then if nobody will apply, if nobody will follow the rules and regulations, then the third function is judiciary. Judiciary provides us justice. What is judiciary? These are the various courts like Supreme Court, High Courts, as well as District Courts. So these courts gives us justice. The people who belong to these various levels of governments, these people helps us. So it is a political body which do work for the welfare of public. Now one more thing, the word sovereign, as I have told you earlier, sovereign means supreme power. Our country, India, has supreme power to make rules for our own country, and no other country has right to interfere in our internal or external affairs, right? So this is sovereign power, or we have sovereignty. Students, now switch on to the next topic after meaning of government. Role of government. What is the major role of government? Its role is to protect the rights of workers. Like beta, when human beings live and work together, there needs to be some amount of organization so that decisions can be made. So if under right to equality, all peoples must be equally treated. If we are, whether it is male or whether it is female, if they are working in same institution, then both have right to get equal wages, equal salaries, right? So like today, government has provided special reservation quotas to the lower caste like scheduled caste, scheduled tribes. So these type of workers belong to lower caste or others also. So it is the duty of government, role of government to protect the rights of workers, right? And then making decisions. This is the main task of government. When we elect the leaders, when we elect our representatives, or we can say leaders, then only those leaders will make decisions for the welfare of humanity, for the welfare of society. Now next, protecting boundaries or frontiers. Frontiers means boundaries. You know, if the internal as well as inside the country or external, the outside boundary of the country. So when the boundary lines are strong, then the country will remain safe. So it is the duty of the government to protect boundaries or frontiers and maintaining peace among the societies, among the nation. Then next is good health care. It is the role of government to provide good health facilities. Like you must have heard about free medical checkups, healthcare departments, dispensaries, or you know, in Delhi there are very famous mohalla clinics. So these type of good healthcare facilities are provided by the government. And active in natural disasters like the tsunami or an earthquake, it is the government only that mainly organizes aids and assistance, means help for the affected people, right? And court and legal matters, it means when the government, when the our chosen representatives or leaders, when they make rules or implement the policies, if nobody is obeying the order, then it is only court which can punish the people, and it sort out all the legal affairs, legal matters. So these are the roles of governments, and at last, exercise leadership. If we have elected our leaders, our representatives, now their duty is to use those powers only for our welfare and implement those policies in a good manner. So there are so many works which you can mention under the role of government. Now switch on to the next topic, levels of government. Beta, now the question arises, how government is looking after all the things, or how government manages to do all these things, how it controls the whole country, right? So there are different levels. Government has assigned the duties to different people to check out the functions, to check out the different functions at different stages. Like beta, there are 4 different levels. We can say local level, district level, state level, national level. So let's begin with national level. National level, or you can say center, right? So all the levels are interrelated to each other, they are necessary for one another. So government is the only one who looked after by these different levels. Let's take an example. Our national country is India. Now India has how many states now? 28 states and 9 union territories. So state level, at state level it works like Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan and many other states. And after states, like we have taken Haryana, right? So what are the different districts of Haryana? Sirsa and other constituencies. So it means various districts are under state and various states are under nation. And now local level means under one district there are many rural areas, means villages. There are many urban areas like cities. So from this level, local level to the national level, it is all the working system of government. You are to write there are 3 levels, right? So district level we will learn under, local level we will learn under district level only. We will mention only the major. If the question will come in your paper that how many levels, then you will write these levels. Next topic is law and government. What is the need of law, or we can say how with the help of law government runs. So beta, under this you will write, like earlier I have told you, executive, legislative, executive, and then judiciary. In the same manner we will look here. So the government make laws, and everyone who lives in the country has to follow those laws. This is the only way that government can functions. So we have elected our leaders who makes a good laws for us, right, for our welfare. Now the second function is law. After making laws, it is the role of government to enforce those laws or to implement those laws, right? For example, there is a law that says all persons driving a motor vehicle must have a license, and if any person caught driving a vehicle without a license can either be jailed or fined a large sum of money. So it means if the government is making law but not enforcing those laws, implementing those laws, then making laws is useless. So we must follow the rules and regulations, the laws. It is the only way to control such a big vast country like India, which is having most of the population, right? So if we all will follow the rules, then only it is possible for the government to control the whole country, to control the whole nation. Now next thing, if nobody is following the rules and regulations, then government works on injustice. If somebody is denying others rights, then government will punish, right? And punishment will be happened under the courts. So these are the different courts. This is judiciary system, our judiciary, right? Local session courts means who are working for villages and for cities and villages, those are under particular district. Now after district there are high courts. In a state there can be, it may be one high court or more than one court if the population is very large amount, and afterwards furthermore all the cases are finally done, and if the decisions are already done at high courts, it's okay. Otherwise further we can appeal to the Supreme Court. It is the supremacy power of our country. Beta, law is equal for each and everyone, from the helper, from the local worker to the president. Law is equal for everyone. And if we feel that rules are not followed properly, then we can approach the court and claim that the law is not being followed. So the court can then give orders about what should be done. So supreme power is with the law or with the Supreme Court or Supreme Justice. Beta, the types of government as well as Indian democratic government we will do in our next part. So read it carefully, read this chapter carefully and revise the chapters which we have done earlier, and send me homework at my WhatsApp number. These marks, your notebook work must be assessed, so keep in touch with your studies and send your homework well in time. So thank you, have a good day ahead.